Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this wonderful 2014 pre-owned Ford F-150 Limited. Now the exterior color is a blue jeans metallic, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our HID projection style headlamps with our halogen high and low beam headlights, as well as a pair of fog lamps and 2 tow hooks. Over at the side we have our 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped around our Goodyear tires, as well as we have our power deployable running boards with our color matched mirror caps and chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows at the rear, and on top we have our OEM sunroof, and this Limited also comes with remote start. At the rear we have a trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as a spare fifth wheel underneath. We also have our reverse sensors paired with our backup camera, as well as we have our tailgate step inside, and in our box we have our spray and bed liner, and on top we have a hard 3-fold tonneau cover, and at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with our power side feature. At our interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power windows, power locks, and power adjustable and foldable mirrors. Also, we have our signal light indicator. And over at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as our fully telescopic steering wheel with our foot pedal adjustment switch. We also have our information trackpad and cruise control settings, and on the right we have our hands-free and volume controls. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights, our 3 garage opener points, and our beautiful OEM sunroof. And as we look at our interior, we have an amazing blue leather, which comes with our limited stamping, as well as the driver and passenger can both enjoy a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support, and the driver can enjoy 2 options of memory seating. As we look ahead, you'll notice we have 50,528 kilometers on our F-150. And over at our display screen, we have our phone connectivity, navigation, our entertainment controls, as well as we have our climate controls, including an air conditioned and heated seat for both driver and passenger, as well as we can watch the display of our reverse camera. And underneath we have controls for our display, as well as our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin. And at our center piece, we have our console shift lever, which has our manual select option of 6 different speeds, with our dual cup holders with ambient lighting on top, and our center console with our limited stamp, as well as we have our dual cup holders at the rear. At the rear, passengers can enjoy door storage with power windows, as well as heated seats. For the left and right side, we also have storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat, and at the back of our center console, we have our dual ventilation with an AC outlet and 12-volt adapter. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we are left with tons of legroom and loads of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this outstanding F-150, please do not hesitate to contact a professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.